Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to treat the top row of keys on your keyboard as function keys on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu down in your taskbar, and then you want to go up and select Settings. And now on the left panel, you want to select Device. And on the right side underneath Device, you want to select Keyboard and Inputs. And now over here, you want to locate something that says Treat Top Row Keys as Function Keys. Hold the Search key to switch the behavior of the top row keys. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference. If you want to enable that, toggle to the right. If you want to turn that on or disable it by clicking inside of it to disable it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.